Okay, very good evening. It's Vikram Sareen, Chief Architect with Mula Technologies, and today we're going to show you something which PCI DSS has been asking for a while. And the first thing we want to talk to you is that, or show you is that PCI DSS, the latest standard that is being released or specification that's been released is stating that we need to protect the internal networks or internal breaches, or protection of internal breaches, and that is where anything which is connecting in, that means it applies to the remote access from untrusted network, and that is where VPN, SSL VPN, IPsec VPN, Citrix, all these kind of softwares are coming in. Softwares like OWA, which is basically for email checking, or you have custom applications which are also coming in, that is also need second factor. So that needs to come in, and then also what it needs to come in is that any system that is having administrative access into the environments that is handling the card data. So this is very serious now, because it's a very direct push that most of the applications which are internal as well as over the VPN, or getting access from outside, should have second factor. So said that, we quickly want to show you that how easy it is to configure in Axiom on the radius part, sorry, on the gateway. So it's basically the system settings. Now inside system settings we have the radius and its clients manager. So over here all you have to do is just expose that which API or which IP that you are exposing to, and what's the port, and then you can also configure it with LDAP if you want to validate the password from the LDAP, and also these are the clients. So over here we have configured, let's say if you have VPN or Citrix or system which supports radius, then you can add those systems and share their secrets over here. So something as simple as this, that means I come over here, I can add in, I can choose what type of authentication I want, and then what is the IP that will connect, and then when I should allow and when I should disallow, and then also the secret that's coming in. So we'll not be going and creating this is already being done. So I'll straight away show you the demonstration. So this is one of the simple client tools that we are using for sending a request. So I'm coming over here and I'm logging in as Yogesh, and this is my particular radius server where it's running, and also this is my secret. So I'm coming over here and just entering a wrong OTP. So as you can see that it is an invalid OTP. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to generate a valid OTP. So I've just used my screen sharing app to stream my Android, and then over here I'm generating the one-time password. So it's 337728, so that's what I'll enter over here. 7728. Oh, sorry. And then I'm coming in and I'm submitting it. So as you could see, it is login is successful. So if I enter the wrong OTP, it will say invalid, and if I enter the right OTP, it will generate it. So let's quickly have a look at what's happening in the background. And now this particular user which I was querying is the OTP should have been validated over here with Axiom through radius. So let me just pull the logs. Yeah. So as you would see, the last one I entered was wrong, and then previous to that it was success. So and the previous to that also was error case. So this very clearly shows that we can use Axiom with any radius compliant server like VPN, Citrix, and many other products, and provide not just simple static password authentication, but we can also provide static as well as dynamic. That means password as well as one-time password, both coming in from here. And then in addition, we can also restrict the date and time when the person can actually come in and access the resources. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if any further queries, or if you would like to try out Axiom with your VPN software or with your Citrix software, then please do let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Yeah. Thanks a lot.